Linnanmäki, 19th of August. Very little room for the target spells here. These dolls are 500 high. The depth of that is 1.5 meters, and this distance is probably only 5 meters. So just room for some targets there, but not much else. There's no room behind the curtain on the left. So this scene's probably 5 meters wide by not much more than 3, maybe 4 that way. So you can imagine 10 targets in here, very simple. Notice the perspex. There's no room over there at all, but this scene is very, very tight. Again, just less than 5 meters, 2.5 meters front to back. And the dolls again about 500 maybe 600 with a hat. That corner's only 2.5 meters away. This scene maybe 4 meters. And this one maybe 5. There's no room over there. Well, maybe some targets on the wall. Just flat lighting targets. There's a lot of mayhem could happen in here, but it is very small again. 8 meters, 5 meters. From there to there is 6 meters. 5 meters left to right. Notice the mechanism for turning the car around. Couldn't be simpler. This scene again is about 5 meters left to right, not much more than 1 meter, 1.4 deep. Notice the perspex. So the targets need to be well on the wall right at the back. There's plenty of lighting, you don't need to worry about more than enough lighting available. This scene is from here to the back, 3.5, 4 meters, by about 4 meters, 4.5 wide. Last little scene, just have something here. 3 or 4 targets. This is where the score should be, up there across the diagonal, explaining the score.